Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you
Happy anniversary,
Future.
Kayani Philippines!
Future.
So right here in
Future.
Ocado, Manila, can you feel the
Future.
energy excitement right now?
This day can be the start of the change of your life.
Ang power ng Kayani talaga. Nagpapalakas talaga yan.
Look around us.
I myself is a product of the product.
Listeners, on deck, take
Hindi
a
ko
swing,
maramdaman
shop
na
and
feel mo bang excited ka today?
Finally,
Hindi ko pa rin maramdaman, excited ka ba today?
we in this finally. Both sides of the cemetery. Try to catch up.
Our objective, our goal is to create a lot of users of our products.
That future hit.
Are you ready?
A million
Do
starts
you
with
believe in
one.
magic?
It should start with you.
It's automatic.
Mission first before commission.
Dati akala ko, pangarap ko lang yung mabibili ko. Hindi eh.
Kasi nakita ko sa company, Mami, andito yung future ko, andito yung future na maibibigay ko sa anak ko.
To build a community, to have a new family, a set of friends, family, people who are with me in this advocacy, lifestyle, and business.
Kahit po hiwalayan niya ako, hindi ko hiwalayan ng Kayani.
Kahit hiwalayan daw siya ng husband niya, hindi niya iiwan ng Kayani.
Ayan yung story namin. Tungkol dun sa pamangkin namin na 7 years old. Dumumi siya ng dugo. Talagang kawawa naman yung bata kasi labas-pasok na sa ospital. Hindi na siya dumudumi, kusang lumalabas na yung dugo. Sabi ng kapatid ko yung nanay, Lord, try ko lang to, wala na kasi. Wala na siyang ibang pwedeng asahan, wala siyang maisip.
Anong pinatak? Nitro?
Yung Nitro FX, hanggang ngayon magaling na siya. Yung dumi niya as in, wala niya. Kaya salamat sa Panginoon.
So, you are able to give now.
Yeah, because of God's blessing. Through Kayani, I'm now capable to give, to bless others through my life.
Oh, wonderful.
If you're doing Kayani business as a serious business, you have to be on AutoShip. Because this is a solid strategy.
Na-introduce po sa buong company, sa amin yung Kayani. Ginawa ko yung business and ito na po ngayon. Ibang-iba po yung buhay from 2019. 4 years later, Diamond po.
If you're on AutoShip and you keep on building it, eventually you will have a leverage wherein you can earn more than what you are working for.
We are able to turn crisis into opportunity for growth and success. And amidst the darkness, Kayani Philippines became the light. Talaga pong pinapalakpakan yan. Sige po, let's clap for that, no?
Makinig ka sa Kayani, matuto ka, tapos mag-share ka, magkakaroon ka ng pera.
I was suffering na tumibigas yung mga muscles and nerves ko here sa leeg, no? Depressed ako. Umiiyak ako kasi I cannot speak. Nag-try sila mag-share sa akin regarding that. Sabi ko, no, I don't like that. Why not try? Sabi nila. Tinatakan ako ng Nitro Extreme. Tapos pinainom ko ng Sunrise sa shop. Wow! Bigla akong nagkaroon ng boses. Minutes lang ang effect. Now I am here sharing it with you. How powerful!
Our goal is to bring Kayani Triangle of Health and our products to at least 1 million homes in the Philippines.
Na-attract ako sa Kayani because of this Million Meals, yung Helping Hands Foundation. Because as a pastor, we have this calling to help, you know.
Mami, gusto ko ipamana sa anak ko, sa apo ko, yung kayamanan na makukuha ko dito. Gusto kong ihinto yung kahirapan sa level ko.
And syempre, hindi lang naman future ng anak natin yung pinaghahandaan natin. Yung future natin. Your time to shine on a billboard!
It's such a blessing to be part of this amazing 9 years of Kayani. Dito ko lang naranasan na makita sa billboard.
Ang sweldo ko po, dati wala pang 20,000. Pagdating po ng January of 2020, ilang months lang, na doble, na triple yung income ko. Kaya sino yung magtatrabaho pa? Part-time income mo, dinoble yung full-time na galing sa trabaho mo, di ba?
Please welcome our new Kayani Robbie!
You have truly made our country proud.
We don't need to hype things. We just tell the truth. And that was I like most.
So that resonated
Yeah.
with you.
Now welcome Blue Diamond, AJ Padiola!
I want to thank Sir Michael Bashirs for deciding to bring Kayani in this part of this world. And also Mami Kate and all the corporate staff for being with us in the last 9 years.
I hope all of you will be part of us.
And all of the leaders that are standing here on stage, that I'm proud of you, and I have confidence in you and what we're going to do together. So thank you all, okay? And thank you for who you are and what you have in your heart. So thank you.
Let's go on auto ship and let's win as one. God bless you all.